about 7:05 at Lonavala. I'm sure you can't see the sunrise, but it's a beautiful one. Let's go, boys! Passing through some proper Maharashtrian village-ish, townish. Not village, not proper village, but like town. Also, pro tip: please ride slow when you're in areas like this. It'll keep you out of danger and them. Okay, where we are heading, it's not even on the map. So let's see. Buddy, can you please move? That is a dam. Pretty huge though. It's just a little wadi, or as they call it, village. But there is a road that goes up. This is what we came for. Oh, there are the windmills. Let's go to the windmills. That is so cool. And that is, sir, my windmill. Missed it? I mean, saved it. Oh, there's still a way. It still continues. Beautiful trail. This is marvelous. We have such great trails here. It is so much fun to just ride, discover, find some trails with your friends, stop, find some random windmills, take a break here. And yeah, it's just so much fun. We have absolutely no idea where this road is, not road, trail is going now. we're just going with it. Just confirmed with another adult who I don't know what he was doing, but I probably disturbed him. But well, he gave me confirmation that there is a road ahead, so let's go. Okay. Okay, this is kind of freaky. Okay, this gets okay.
Welcome to the jungle.
I know, right? ना क्या देखो क्या याद आता है इससे एक नंबर look in the left. But this is beautiful. I mean, just look where we've landed. It is 9:15 and we've suddenly entered a forest area, and it is kind of spooky, है ना?
Absolutely. Graveyard भी आएगा.
Yeah, I hope there's no fucking graveyard ahead. साले इधर कौन क्यों graveyard बनाएगा?
You never know.
True that. But well, yeah, this should be more fun. Okay, this is just I don't know, this is just beautiful, and oh yeah. steps. Yeah, baby! This is the kind of riding I absolutely have always wanted to do and I love doing. I'm just going to stick to the main trail. A little slippery. That was questionable. Not stopping here. Okay, so at this point of time, we're kind of lost. Our offline map is really not showing this trail even. So now it's just the sense of direction and guesswork to where this leads. But I guess wherever it leads, even if you have to ride back, I'll be okay with that. But I mean, there is a way here, so there has to be somewhere it's going, right? Like it can't just, I hope it just doesn't disappear randomly. Okay, I see something. काका रस्ता आहे का इकडे? असंच घुमायचं आहे? रस्ता आहे, मेन रोड आहे ना? कुठे? असं इकडून नाही रस्ता, असं जायचं. Has become from a fast track, it's become like an enduro course, which I don't have a problem with. I would equally enjoy it. We are going back the way we came because the way we were advised was taking us on the same trail we came here from, which kinda sounds tedious right now to ride back, but let's see. ये तार है, ये तार वाला रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? कहीं तो जाता होगा. There is a trail here, very light trail, but there is one. I hope I'm talking to you all and not just the camera. I mean to myself. It's a very faint trail, and that's about to disappear and turn into a walking trail. No. This can't be it. This definitely can't be it. Back on the same trail, but yeah, we have to ride back. There's no other option. Okay, this is turned into a single track now. We're just trying to follow these lines and hope for the best. No, dude. How? It's about 11:30. I think it's a great morning. I think this trail can be, ridden down from Bombay, Pune, come here, ride. It's a fun trail. It'd be great even if it could, get out on the other side. But I think, yeah, I just had a lot of fun. It's the kind of riding I like. A little bit of everything. 6:30, Bombay traffic, peak Bombay traffic. हालत खराब है यार. The heat. I guess this is it. This is all for the video today. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Keep riding, guys.